Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I bring you a full face using only the best drugstore makeup, aka e.l.f. We all know e.l.f. has been stepping up their game the past few years. They have released so much makeup. All of it is a hit in my opinion, and I have a little box here, and this is everything I will be using today to create this beautiful look. Everything in here is e.l.f. So I hope you guys are excited for today's video. This is new makeup, old makeup, and a viral makeup because we know e.l.f. is the queen of going viral. Okay, so grab your brushes, grab your cafecito, and let's jump right into today's full face using only e.l.f. makeup. So the category is brows. That's what we're going to start off with because obviously I don't have my brows done as I usually do. Now this is a product that I kind of didn't like, but I have been playing with it a little bit more and I actually like it. I still don't love it, but I do enjoy it. So this is the Brow Laminating Gel that retails for $8. So it goes on clear and it dries clear. And the best thing is that this is supposed to give you that laminated look. So if you like the flat laminated brows, which is more of my style, this is what you would want to go with. I like to take this like literally all around my brow. I will push them down to make sure every single hair is coated. And then you take the back side, you start off with a little brochecito, the little spoolie. You comb it through to make sure that you disperse, move around the product evenly, and then the actual little comb, the hard bristles, that's what you're going to use to shape your brows. And just like that, you can see the difference. So this is the brow with the brow gel. And without it. Quite a difference, which is why I like to laminate my brows, because naturally they're very, very thin, and this just gives it the appearance of thicker brows. I did my brows off camera. If you guys want to see like a little reels slash YouTube shorts slash TikTok on how I do my brows, let me know. I just didn't include it in today's video because I'm focusing just on e.l.f. It is a one brand tutorial, but I mean, my routine hasn't changed much since the last time you guys seen it. Next, we're moving on to eyeshadow. This one has actually been my absolute favorite, the new e.l.f. Lock It Down eyeshadow primer. This one retails for $7. This one goes on sheer. It is a little bit creamy, and of course, it's an eyeshadow primer. So it just helps to lock down your look, and it almost like intensifies the color of your eyeshadows. I'm gonna let that get tacky. Meanwhile, what do we do meanwhile? We do nothing. We wait for it to get tacky. Today's eyeshadow palette, I will be going back to an oldie. This is the e.l.f. Electric Mood X Tiana Major palette. This is probably one of my favorites from e.l.f. They have a few different ones, but this one is just like chef's kiss. Like the quality, the eyeshadows, the creaminess, the matte ones, the shimmer shades are all amazing. So yeah, I'm feeling a warm tone in the crease with, I'm thinking this one all over the lid and then yellow in the inner corner to make it pop. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Grab your brushes and let's jump right into this eye tutorial. Oh my gosh, did you guys hear that? When your makeup eats, but you don't. Just kidding. So I went ahead and applied a little bit of mascara. This is the e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara. This is a great brand, or great brand. Of course it is. It is a great mascara that is a dupe for the Benefit. Also, I did film this eye off camera because I filmed it for my reels and my Instagram, my TikTok, and all that, which I wanted to like quickly speak on since I have you guys here and I have your attention. Meanwhile, I'm going to move on to the face. For my primer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. This one is like probably my favorite out of all the primers that they have, and I'm so happy that I have another one. Like, this is the primer that I use, but I have a backup because this is like the GOAT. You guys are in the Houston area and you are interested in getting your brows done by me, I am now officially taking clients. I know some of you reached out to me from one of my previous videos when I was mentioning that I needed models, and I was not expecting to get so many like messages and emails. So if I didn't respond to you, I'm so sorry. Either your email got lost in like the hundreds of emails that I received, or I just got booked out. So I don't need any more models, but I am now booking clients. So if you are in the Houston area and you want to get your brows tattooed permanently, I promise you I will leave them looking bomb. You can head over to my Instagram and take a look at some of the work that I've done. I will be posting more as, you know, the clientele grows, but I'm now also booking for makeup. I am fully going back to makeup. Like, I miss doing makeup on people so much, and I used to do that back in Utah, and here once I moved, like, I kind of stopped being a freelance makeup artist, but I miss it so much. So if you or anyone you know has an upcoming event, a quinceañera, a wedding, a special birthday, whatever it is, and you want your makeup done and you live in Houston, Katy, maybe even Spring, shoot me an email or shoot me a DM and we can get you booked. That would be amazing. I would love to meet some of my followers. That would be so cool. Okay, so the primer has pretty much gotten a little bit grippy. We are going to go in with the foundation, which of course we are using the brand new e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. I think I'm going to go in with this shade. I feel like this shade is the one that suits me the most. I am waiting for e.l.f. to release a very mattifying primer because the one that they have, the matte putty primer, even though it claims to be matte, it really isn't the best at really mattifying us oily skin girls. So e.l.f., I will be waiting. But we're gonna go ahead and apply this foundation. I honestly haven't used this so much because it just makes me a tad bit too oily. I love the finish of it. I love how beautiful. It's like second skin. It looks really pretty, covers up the imperfections. It's light on the skin. It's not heavy. It's breathable. Pero at the end of the day, girl, I get so greasy and I hate it because it is such a beautiful foundation. So we're just gonna work with it, okay? Going back to the makeup talk, I am so excited, you guys, to just like move on to this new journey. So what I will be doing is I am renting out a room in a studio, and from there I will be doing excuse me, either brows or I will be doing makeup because I just want to tap into all my potential as much as I can. I want to have multiple streams of revenue, and like I mentioned before, my ultimate goal is to be or to have financial freedom. Like, who doesn't want that? I will never not hear somebody that tells me that they don't want financial freedom. Like, everybody wants that, right? That is like the American dream. So I definitely want to make that happen. Yikes, I put too much foundation. I definitely want to make that happen. And I just, like, I don't know, I am just in my work hardworking era right now, okay? I want to try and work as much as I can and just enjoy that while I can, while I'm still young, and enjoy my family. Like, I want to take my family on trips. I want to take my kids on vacation as much as possible. I want to give them everything I never had. And not only like financially, but like trips, like you create memories. You create so many memories. You bond with your children in so many levels. And that to me is like the ultimate goal. Is just to have the best relationship with my children that I possibly can, because they only stay little for so long. One day they will grow up, make their own life, and that'll be the end of that, you know? So I definitely want to work as hard as I can, which is why I'm trying to offer multiple services, but for now I'm just focusing on brows and makeup. So again, if you're looking for a makeup artist or you just want to book me, we can get that ball rolling. So email me at ohmglashes@gmail.com, and I promise you I will get back to you as soon as I can. You can also ask me for pricing and all that, and I can send you a list of information. For my concealer, I just went in with the Camo Hydrating Concealer. Honestly, this is probably like my least favorite makeup item from e.l.f. It's one of those concealers that I hardly ever reach for because I don't know. I don't know what it is about the formula or the product that I'm just like, meh. Like I can totally forget about it. I only reach for it when I am creating these types of videos. So what do you guys think? Do you guys love the Camo concealers, the matte or the hydrating one? I know everybody has their preference, but it's an all right for me. Forgive me for this one. I don't have the e.l.f. Halo powders anymore. Please, please, please give us new powders, e.l.f., because the Halo ones, they're just not it. I don't like them. They crack on me and they crease on me really bad. I think they're just a little too thin. So I'm just going to use an affordable powder like this one from Fit Me or Maybelline. What? Can I speak today? Look at how pigmented this is. This is what I like my powders to look like. I want them to have like a little bit of pigment to them, okay? Not too much color, but enough to where it'll brighten the under eye. And you just can't tell me otherwise. This powder is one of the best at the drugstore, which is why I always like repurchase it or always just keep it on the back of restock, because she's just that girl. I have been waiting for the new bronzers and the new blushes to come to Ulta from e.l.f. and they haven't. So we're just going to use what we have, okay? I'm going to use this one, Golden Daze. And these dry down to a matte finish, so I am just going to do that and leave it as is since I don't have a powder bronzer. You guys have to let me know if you like their new bronzers. I think they're infused with some sort of like something. Okay, I'm just going to place this right here so I don't disrupt the powder underneath, and then blending that. And then for my blush, I think I'm going to go with this one. Yeah, that definitely suits the look for today. These are the Camo Liquid Blushes. These are honestly really, really good. I'm going to apply it to the back of my hand. And this is in the shade Gorge Orange. And I am going to be using a brush, of course, duh. And I'm going to stipple it onto the brush first because these are pretty pigmented. Is that too much? That's a little much. Okay, I'm just going to be gentle. And I'm going to tap it in here. Like, I love this color in specific because it is like a true orange, but honestly, it looks so pretty on like tan skin. I love how oranges look on little brown biscuits like us. It looks so pretty, and it's not like an intimidating orange, honestly. This probably would have worked a little bit better if I wouldn't have set the under eyes first, but I'm telling you guys, I'm in my Delulu era. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, I cracked myself up. I don't know if y'all noticed in my recent videos, the white of my eyes have been looking extra wide. I can tell. I've been using the Lumify little drops. Only use them when I do my makeup, and oh my gosh, it makes such a difference. I'm gonna go in with this like little pencil. This is not from e.l.f. I don't think e.l.f. has any cream liners like this. Maybe they do actually. I just don't think I have any. But I love this. Look at the difference it makes. It just really like opens up the eyes. So I've just been throwing this into the waterline. Boom, who is she? This is the Catrice highlighting dual pencil in Hero. Just using pretty much the same tones, I am going to apply the colors to my lower lash line. For my lip combo, I will be wearing the lip combo that actually, I want to say it was a little viral on my Instagram. I always use these, the new e.l.f. Cream Gel Glide Lip Liners. These are the best. They're so good. They're creamy. They're affordable. They're $2. And they have so many different shades. I only have these two. I bought the mauve one. Pregúntame qué le pasó. I have no idea where I left it. So I'm going to I'm going to go in with this one first. I think this one is called, they don't have the name for some reason. It's so odd. But I think this one's called Spill the Tea, and I think this one is called Espresso. I don't know. Blend out that darker brown. It's like that. And then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil in Honey Talks. This is such a pretty brown. And they're so hydrating to the lips. Look at that. Tell me this is not the prettiest soft nude, soft brown lip combo. Like, so pretty, so easy to achieve, and it looks amazing. So this is a full face of only e.l.f. makeup using new and viral makeup. I know that I'm missing a few like actually like very new pieces, like the setting spray. Honey, we're not using that here, okay? I have the original, or I have the Milk Makeup one, which is what e.l.f. is trying to dupe, and that setting spray made me so oily, so I'm not even gonna bother. I'm probably gonna take off a makeup here in a little bit because today is just a at-home chill day, and I don't want to be wearing a full face just to be at home. Am I the only one? Let me know in the comment section down below, and if you guys recreate this look, then please tag me. Also, again, if you live in the Houston, Katy area, or just somewhere near Houston and you want to book me for makeup or for your brow service, let me know in the comment section. Shoot me an email at ohmglashes@gmail.com, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye.